2026 Mercedes-Benz EQG, electric G-Wagon. The G-Wagon has always been a contradiction. Square, boxy, almost ancient in design, yet somehow cooler than everything else on the road. A military truck turned millionaire's toy. A war machine with a Burberry interior. Now Mercedes is doing the unthinkable. They're making it electric. And it's glorious. Welcome to the 2026 Mercedes-Benz EQG, the G-Wagon of the future. All of the character, none of the emissions. And best of all, it's still a B. Instead of a V8, the EQG gets 4 independent electric motors, one for each wheel. That's right, not just AWD, individual wheel control. This means the EQG can do tank turns, literally spin in place like a tracked vehicle. Off-roaders, rejoice. Horsepower numbers are still secretive, but estimates suggest up to 750 HP and 0 to 60 mph in 3.9 seconds. Range? Expect 330-125 miles, with support for 200 kW DC fast charging. And while it's silent, it won't be soft. The chassis is still ladder frame steel. There's still 3 locking differentials, digitally simulated of course. Ground clearance is maintained, and water fording ability? Unchanged. This is still a G, just cleaner, faster, and shockingly smarter. On the inside, Mercedes is going all out. Think S-Class meets Moon Rover. Dual 12.3-inch displays, MBUX Hyper-Responsive Voice Assistant, Burmester 3D Surround Sound, Napa leather with contrast diamond stitching, and yes, custom ambient lighting in over 64 colors. Price? Buckle up. Starting around $105,000 USD, pushing toward $180,000 fully loaded. But here's the truth, it won't matter. The EQG will sell out on day one. Celebrities, CEOs, sheikhs, and rappers alike have already been lining up. The G-Wagon isn't going extinct. It's evolved.